Everyone, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in any part of the world. Welcome to a new week. I hope this week will be an exciting, a great week, an inspiring week. And it all depends on your perspective about the week or what you intend to achieve from a particular week. Some people believe that, nothing changes about the day, but maybe they might be true to some extent, but the state of your mind determines what changes on a daily basis. Your input, what you do every day determines how, the month is going to look for you in terms of performance, in terms of outcome, in terms of your heart desire. Then it depends on your input. It depends on your own contribution. It depends on what you do on a daily basis. Maybe you're trying to develop a particular skill. Then it depends on your level of consistency, just as we come here every day and we spend 30 minutes of our time to engage in this book reading. Okay, thanks everyone. Thanks for joining today's section. My name is Henry Onowale. I'm an AI expert, an AI ethical expert, a responsible AI expert, and also an AI strategist. For those that are just joining us for the first time, we're currently reading a book that is titled AI Governance, Applying Policy and Ethics Through Principle and Assessment. And the author of this book is Dr. Darryl Carlton. Yeah, this is the book we're currently reading. And guess what? We completed one book and we're almost rounding up this one. And that is why we're a bit, taking it slow. Then now all we do is to read just one page of the book so that we can, hopefully we can round it up to the end of January. And I guess that is a great milestone, completing two AI books or two AI books that are focused on ethics. Just two books in 1 month. I guess that is a great milestone and we've learned a lot. Okay, let us dive into today's book reading. Today, we're looking at we're in page 70. Now, if you have the book, this is the book again. Please endeavor to share this live with your friends, your colleagues at work, so that they can be a part of it. We believe this live will give people the opportunity to understand AI, most especially from an ethical perspective and also from an ethical approach. Okay, let's kick it off. Section 3, Data and Documentation, Data Usage and Model Development. Define the nature of the data used in the AI system, public, proprietary, and private. That is in an inverted comma. And state whether it is internal or provided by a third party. Specify how consent has been secured for data use and whether the AI system uses protected attributes. As the data used to develop the AI application being documented and checked for representativeness, relevance, accuracy, traceability, and completeness, please provide details. Have the risks identified in the data impact assessment being considered and addressed. Describe the measures taken to handle missing data, imbalanced data, scaling, and normalization. Has the source of the model been documented and has the selection of the model been assessed for fairness, explainability, and robustness? Please describe the assessment process and outcomes. Have the risks identified in the model being considered and addressed? Please provide a short description of the identified risks and countermeasures. Number 7, describe the strategy for validating and testing the model, including performance on extreme values and protected attributes. Have patterns of failure been identified, including backward chaining? Provide a short description of resolving or accounting for key failure modes. Number 9, do the training, validation, and testing data sets meet the required quality criteria, including relevance, representativeness, absence of errors, and completeness. Please provide details on the data governance and management practice applied. Okay, next. Number 10, we're in page 72. Describe the measures taken to ensure compliance with data protection principles such as lawfulness, fairness, transparency, data minimization, accuracy, storage limitation, and security. Outline the processes for handling data subject rights, including providing privacy notices and responding to data subject requests within the required time frame. Describe the procedure implemented to detect, investigate, report, and communicate data breaches to the supervisory authority and affected data subject as applicable regulation require. Transparency and provision of information to users. Please describe how the AI system is designed and developed to ensure its operation is sufficiently transparent, enabling users to interpret and use its output appropriately. Number 2, do the AI system instruction for use accompany them in an appropriate digital format? Do this instruction include concise, complete, correct, and clear information that is relevant, accessible, and understandable to users? Number 3, does the AI system provide key data privacy information to the user on their first interaction, including how personal data is collected and how it will be used? Number 2, how any automated decision making using personal or other data collected will be used, and how the data collected by the AI system will be used to monitor employee performance, customer or patient activity. D, who will have access to the data which is collected by the AI system, and will these assets be provided in the form of raw data, extract or summary, and anonymized reporting? Then next we have, for what purpose would person have access to the data collected? Okay, this brings us to the end of today's book reading on our book on AI governance, applying the principle of policy and ethics through principles and assessments. As I said, we usually commit about 30 minutes to complete our daily book reading, but just because it seems we are going on a faster pace, now we'll be taking just one page. Then today we end at page 72, and tomorrow we'll continue from page 73. Okay, thank you for joining today's section of our daily AI book reading. If you want to catch up with some of the previous chapters of the book that has been covered, please, you can just go back to the profile page and you'll be able to see them. That is why today is day 19. You'll be able to see day 1, day 2, day 3. And the book we are reading is titled AI Governance, Applying Policy and Ethics Through Principles and Assessment. And the author of the book is Dr. Darryl J. Carlton. Dr. Darryl J. Carlton. Thank you so much. Do have a blessed day. Talk to you guys soon. Take care. Bye.